Hi, welcome to the Autism Program at Bremen University and your very first class, EDUU 575, Introduction to Autism, Etiologies and Characteristics. This orientation video is going to help you become oriented not only to the class, but there's going to be information about the entire autism program, as there are a number of assignments and activities that you will be doing not only in this course but in every course, because you will be building towards the completion of your program and that autism authorization. The entire program is based on the Autism Spectrum Disorders Added Authorization Standards from CTC. In EDUU 575, we'll be primarily covering Standard 1, Characteristics of Autism Spectrum Disorders, although we will do a little bit of work in the other two standards as well. I wanted to give you a quick orientation to this course, as well as going over some of those assignments that you'll be doing not only in this course, but across courses. Place that you're going to spend a lot of time is here in the course information tab, and you'll find your instructor's information here, this video. I recommend that you download the syllabus. It's a PDF here, and just below is the course at a glance. The nice thing about the course at a glance, it gives you the course learning objectives that you're working on each week, as well as the topic. And then it gives you the readings, discussion board assignment and prompt, any wikis or other assignments that you have to do. So this is a nice place to come to be able to look ahead and see what's coming and what's due. The late work policy is here. As you can see, no work will be accepted beyond 1 week past the due date. 10% penalty per day will be applied for each day the assignment is late. The assignments and grading scale is here, so you can see what assignments are due when, as well as how many points there are. I'm going to be spending a little bit of time talking about some of the assignments in this course, particularly the ones that run through the program that may be a little different for you, like student-led discussion boards, the video observation journals, and the website that you will be working on. Grade percentages are here. If you look here in the assignment descriptions, and rubrics and evaluations, you'll find here information about all of the assignments, as well as the rubric that will be used to grade them. We have here the student and instructor-initiated discussion board, the signature assignment you can see here, all the way down to wiki, website check, and video directions and rubric. I want to spend a little bit of time talking about some of these, particularly the discussion boards, the video journals, and the website, because those things will be things that you will be working on throughout the entire program, but starting them here. So if you've had any courses at Bremen, there's always a discussion board, which you probably know. And in this course, there are a number of instructor-led discussion boards. However, in weeks 2, 4, and 6, students will actually be leading the discussion board. Each student in the class will lead a discussion board once in one of those weeks. So you'll be able to sign up and choose which week that you're going to lead. There will probably be maximum number of students that can lead per week, so that we ensure that there's a student leading in all the weeks that it's due. When you are the student leader, you will actually craft a prompt for your students to discuss around. In order to determine what your prompt should be around, you can choose the topic area or the CLOs for that week, or for weeks immediately prior to the course. You'll write your prompt, and then your classmates will respond to your response, much like you would do to an instructor's. Then you will be responsible for managing that discussion through the week and responding to your classmates and watching that discussion unfold. In the weeks that you are not leading a discussion board, you will participate. If you are participating, you'll want to respond to all of the prompts that your classmates have led. So you'll make sure that you are responding in all of them. The instructor-led discussion boards, you will need to respond to the prompt and at least 2 of your classmates' prompts. That's one of the assignments that you'll be doing throughout this course. Another one that I want to talk to is the video journal, the video observation journal that you'll be doing. In this course and in all the courses, you will have fieldwork and observation requirements that you will do in the field. You will then create a video journal to talk about those observations and what you're doing and learning in your fieldwork with individuals on the spectrum. These video journals are not videos of your observations. It is very important that no likenesses or anybody other than yourself is in the video. This is a video that you are taking of yourself, reflecting on a prompt about your observations. And rather than writing a paper, you will provide a videoed response. I kind of think of it if you watch any of those reality shows where they do the confessionals, where the person is kind of talking about what's going on and what they think about it. This is something similar to that, although there will be a specific prompt you'll be talking about, and you'll be talking about your work and observations of those on the spectrum. But it's really important to make sure that you understand that these videos are only of you. And I don't recommend that you do any videoing while you're on site doing observations at all. Do those video journals at home, and they should just be of you. You'll also be creating a website in this class, and you'll be building it through the program. There is a video on that goes over that, so I do encourage you to watch that short video, and it goes through the website. But you will be creating it in this program and starting to build it. Here you can see the checklist of the required resource content, resource website content. So you'll be putting a lot of information on the characteristics of autism spectrum disorder, and then a little bit of information on some of the other areas that you will be building out even further as you move through the program. The final thing that I want to talk about in the course that goes across the course is your badges and tokens that you will be earning. So I'm actually going to the Sample Autism website page, resource page that I've built, and that you can have a look at it and use as a guide when you're creating your very own website. But here you can see all of the tokens and the badges that you'll be earning. So what are those tokens and badges? Much like a token economy, as you were completing and submitting assignments throughout the program, and in engaging and using different technology tools, you'll earn tokens towards them. And like a token economy, once you've gotten all the tokens for a badge, you will actually earn that badge. In this class, you will actually earn all of the tokens to receive your characteristics of autism spectrum disorder badges. So there'll be assignments in this course that will get you each of these tokens, and you'll end up with all the badges. Additionally, you will also earn a badge in the collaborating with stakeholders, a token in the collaborating with stakeholders, the stakeholder role badge. And in the technology badge, you'll be earning the screencasting token. So as you move through the program, you'll be earning these tokens, and you'll actually be able to see in the site, if you go here to the Gameology leaderboard, you'll actually be able to see your progress. It won't have the names of all your classmates, but you'll be able to see your progress in comparison to your classmates in a way that is anonymous and protects all of you. But you'll be able to see yourself build all your tokens and your and work towards your badges. I hope that that short video gives you a good understanding of not only some of the things in this course, and I do encourage you to take time to go through and look at the course. With the student-led discussions, there is one thing I want to point out here. During the weeks that they're instructor-led, you'll see that the prompts are right here. During the weeks, the student-led discussion boards, you'll go here and you'll actually click on the week that you are going to be leading, and then you will create a thread in this page and go through there. During those weeks 2, 4, and 6, one thing that you may find confusing is that you'll either get 25 or 15 points, and those points will actually accrue. So sometimes students get worried when they don't see all of the total points, which will, at the end of week 6, will be a total of 55 points, but your points will accrue depending on whether you have led or participated in the discussion board. So you'll watch over those 3 times your points accrue and build up to the maximum number. Again, thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact your instructor. They are there to help.